Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this awesome MagSafe compatible wireless charging car mount by a company called Vicseed. Vicseed makes great iPhone and Android phone accessories, and this is no exception. This is a really great product. Allows you to mount this in your car and then have a place where when you jump in your car, you just throw your iPhone on there and it just sticks. It sticks and stays, and not only that, but it gets wirelessly charged while it's on there, which is just really cool. Let's talk about what comes in the box. In the box, you're going to get the charger itself. You're going to get the vent mount that comes with it, which is one of the best vent mounts in the market. You get the Type-C to Type-C charging cord, which you'll need to plug into your own power supply, or you can pick one up from Vicseed if you want. But you get the Type-C to Type-C cord, and you also get a few little extra rings that you can use to retrofit non-MagSafe cases, or a case for any phone, to use this mount with any phone by retrofitting it with those rings. So they do include those as well, which is awesome. But let's talk about how this works with your MagSafe compatible iPhone, because that's what you're going to be using it for most likely. And it works great. You can see when you throw your phone on there, you get that MagSafe ring, that MagSafe charging indicator. And that just shows you that this is fully MagSafe compatible and that you're going to be getting the fastest wireless charge possible with this mount. Now, besides this mount uses super strong magnets, some of the strongest magnets you're going to find in any car mount. So once you put your phone on there, you do not have to worry about it coming off. It will not come off. I live in Los Angeles. Our roads and freeways suck, so I'm driving anywhere from 50 to 70 miles per hour on the freeway, hitting really hard bumps, and my phone doesn't budge. My phone is staying put. It's on there. No issues at all. Once you put your phone on here, you do not have to worry about it. As long as you're just using the phone or using it with a MagSafe compatible case, you are good to go. What's great, what I love about MagSafe car mounts like this is you throw your phone on there and you don't have to worry about it, but then when you get out of the car, you just grab your phone and go. You don't have to press buttons or anything. It's good to go, which is great. And with this one, you're getting the wireless charging. Now, it does have this cool little subtle LED indicator down here on the bottom. You barely see it, and it's a great design because it's there. It's like a nice little aesthetic, but it's not bright. So if you don't have a phone on there and you're driving at night, it won't bother you because it's so kind of subtle and hidden, which is great. And the other part that's great about this is this vent clip. This is absolutely the best designed vent clip I've ever seen. You unwind it or unturn it. It opens up. You stick this over your vents. You close it down, and once you close it down tight, it's not going anywhere. So not only is your phone safe on the mount, but the mount itself is going to stay where you put it. Once you get it where you need it and you clamp it down, it will stay. It won't move around or bounce around, which is great for a car mount. And it does have a ball joint, so you can pivot it to make sure you get the angle that you need, and you can even set it up to be horizontal mode if you want. It'll work that way as well. Just really, really great. You can use it with or without the wireless charging, so if you don't always want wireless charging, you don't have to plug that in. The car mount will still work as a mount just fine. And you can see it will hold the iPhone without any issues at all. Really an excellent car mount. If you're looking for a MagSafe compatible car mount that offers full wireless charging for your iPhone as well as strong magnets to hold it in place without any worries, then this car mount by Vicseed is definitely the way to go. You will not be disappointed. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist, subscribe to my channel so you can keep up future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down in the comments below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.